Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to check all devices where your Gmail account is logged in for a security reason. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to your Google. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Then you have to swipe this way and look for security. On getting to security, what you need to do is to simply scroll all the way down. All the way down to your device right here, your devices. What you need to do is to simply click on manage all devices. So right here, you will see all the devices that is having access to your Gmail account. What you need to do is to simply scroll down and review all the devices. If you take notes of any device you are not recognized, whether on PC or on phone, what you need to do is to simply choose on the device and simply, so for instance, if I will not recognize this particular device right here, so what I'm going to do is to simply click on the device. Once I click on the device, it's going to open up this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on logout. And with that, so click on logout. Then this message is going to pop up. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. What you need to do is to simply click on logout. So you get to so done, but some apps might still be have access. So what you need to do is to simply click on OK. And with that, the device is going to be successfully logged out from your Gmail account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check device where all your Gmail accounts is being logged in and how you can simply log them out without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.